Are you looking for a custom-built pool home minutes away from downtown Mount Dora with a country vibe and also lake access? Then you definitely want to check out my newest listing in Eustis, Florida. Let's go, neighbors. Welcome to 3049 Windham Drive. Enjoy living in this custom-designed pool home on a large lot with side entry garage and gorgeous Lake Joanna estates, with private access to the spring-fed Lake Joanna. Far from ordinary, this home is the only one of its kind in this boutique-style community of 46 homes. As you enter the home, you will enter into a spacious open floor plan that has been recently remodeled to create a more open feel. Upon entering the dining room, you will notice it's great for holiday meals. Upon entering the family room, you will also love the beautiful wood-burning fireplace. Open the sliding doors and find an entertaining oasis in the 10 by 30 foot covered Florida room, where you can enjoy an amazing view of the large fenced backyard and open air pool. Custom kitchen with wood floors is gorgeous and includes solid wood cabinets, granite countertops, double oven, decorative splashback, 2 pantries, and a large designer-inspired butcher block center island with plenty of room to enjoy your morning breakfast. Kitchen has a large eat-in space with sliding doors out to a tiled patio, making this room light and bright. The master suite has a fireplace, walk-in closet, and sliding doors leading out to the Florida room. Ensuite master bath has a garden tub, walk-in shower, granite countertops, and a linen closet. This split floor plan has 2 additional spacious bedrooms with large closets and share a guest bath with granite countertops, tub, shower, and linen closet. This home has everything you need, including a new roof. Just a short distance away is Lake Joanna's private community boat ramp, gazebo, boat docking with secure boat storage where you can enjoy water skiing, fishing, canoeing, kayaking, or picnic, along with an area to park your boat for a nominal fee. Your HOA includes dual water systems, portable water for drinking, and lake water for irrigation. Just minutes from downtown Eustis in historic Mount Dora with shopping and dining and easy access to the 429. It's a stunning property, neighbors, in a phenomenal neighborhood. Lake Joanna Estates only has 46 custom-built homes in this community. So if you want in on an amazing deal, then contact me today, Jonathan Fadul, with the Home Squad brokered by EXP, so you can get a feel of the country vibe right here in Central Florida. Let's go, neighbors!